Hey, call in 10 minutes and say I did it. Just call in 10 minutes and say I did it.
Yo, Piggy, man, we got it going on, baby. It's on and cracking, man. He's gone, baby. You the man, you the man. Champagne, caviar, dreams from now on, baby. Plats, baby, straight plats, homie. Baby, baby. That's right. We own and cracking from now on, man. You know what I'm saying? Huh? You alive? I mean, you safe? Man, I'm so happy you're free.
Yeah? Happy to see me. Wasn't y'all talking when I got in here? Finish.
No, that can wait. What's important is... What's important is...
Ain't you gonna get that?
Yeah. Yeah, baby. I'll be there in 1 minute.
Who's that, Biggie?
Oh, that's just Faye. She's always checking up on me.
It's a lying piece of shit.
Pop, please don't kill me. It was Buff's idea. No, man. I'm just a rapper, man. Please don't take me out the game.
I ain't gonna kill you. We was homeboys once, Pig. Once we homeboys, we always homeboys. Even if you is a fat phony.
Thank you, Pop. Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Don't thank me. Sorry.
Ain't nothing but a gangsta party, party. Let me hit that. Ain't nothing but a gangsta party, party. Ain't nothing but a gangsta party, party. Ain't nothing but a gangsta party, ain't nothing but a gangsta party. Picture perfect. I paint a perfect picture, bomber suckers with precision. My intentions to get with you with ass and double OP. Dog, my closest homies, it's so cold, we dispose our foes.
Showing up, I keep my hand on my gun, cause they got me on the run. Now I'm back in the courtroom, waiting on the outcome. Free Tupac, it seems that's all that's on my mind. Cause at the same time, it seems they trying to take mine. So I'm gonna get smart and get defensive with this and put together a million more with the gangster twist.
Now they got us laced, two multi-millionaire young brothers catching cases. Busters get ready for the throwdown, the hits about to go down. Me and Snoop about to clash. I'm losing my religion, I'm vicious on these stool pigeons. You might be deep in this game, but you got the rules missing. Suckers be acting like they savage, I'm out to get the cabbage. I got nothing but love for my homies living lavish.
I got a pit named P, she niggerina. I got a house out in the hills, right next to Chino. And I think I got a black Beamer, but my dream is to own a fly casino like Bugsy Siegel and do it all illegal and get scooped up by the little homie in the Regal. It feels good to you, baby bubba. You see, this is for the G's and the keys, young hustler.
Now follow as we ride. You can check the rest. Two of the best from the west side, and I can make you famous. Brothers been down for years, so how can they blame us? I live in fear of a felony. I never stop belling these West Coast G's. If you got a better flow, another one. Two of America's most wanted. Ain't nothing but a gangsta party. Ain't nothing but a gangsta. Nothing but a gangsta party. It ain't nothing but a gangsta party. Nothing but a gangsta party. It ain't nothing but a gangsta party. Now give me 50 feet. Defeat is not my destiny. Release me to the streets, but keep whatever's left of me. Jealousy is envious, suffering is greed. Better be prepared when you cowards bust at me. I bust and bleed. You suckers must be crazy. Word, ain't no mercy. Jealous busters who can fade the thugs. You thought it was, but it wasn't. Now disappears. Bow down in the presence of a bone player.
Like blood, gang banging, everybody in the party doing dope slanging. You got to have papers in this world. You might get your purse snatched before your eyes swirl. You're doing your job every day, and then you work so hard till your hair turn gray. Let me tell you about life and about the way it is. You see, we live by the gun, so we die by the
Tell me not to roll with my Glock, so now I gotta throw away. Floating in my black Benz, trying to do a show a day. They wonder how I live with 5 shots. Brothers, it's hard to kill on my block. Things for currency are though related. Affiliated with the hustlers, and so we made it. No answers to questions, I'm trying to get up on it. My brother dogging me, eternally the most wronged.